Hey guys, how's it going? This is Helpful Lockpicker here, and welcome back to this week's Locksport update. This is a really fun video series that I run every single Saturday, and it serves as a great resource for me to share with the community anything that I have been working on, and also to be a really great place for the community to share anything that they have been working on. What I have this week is a few really cool updates that I cannot wait to share, so let's get started with this week's Locksport update. Thank you so much for checking out this week's Locksport update. If you happen to be new here, thank you so much for stopping by and subscribing. My channel is all about trying to make really great how-to videos and just be a really great resource in the community to help people get started in Locksport. The first thing I'd like to say is I am very happy that starting this week I am beginning my paternity leave for a few weeks, and I'm going to have a lot more time to be able to try to work on a few projects that I'd like to and really spend some great time with the baby and family. One thing I am really excited about is I have just gotten word from Huxley Pig that he has just shipped the silver bullet that I bought from him. This is the one from lockvault.com, but the one I'm getting from Huxley Pig is going to have very specialty tips to it so I can pick alloy locks more effectively. It's going to have the rear tensioner, it's going to have a front tensioner, and it's going to have a lot of different aspects to it that this one does not have. This silver bullet is designed to open up the vast majority of locks, but it cannot open up as many as the one made by Huxley Pig. I cannot wait to get a side-by-side comparison, and maybe if I can find a little bit more free downtime now that I'm on paternity leave, I'm going to be able to get a better grasp on opening up disc detainer locks, because as of right now I am not having much luck. This is something that is very foreign to me. I look forward to learning the journey, but I am just a very true novice when it comes to opening up these locks. But once I get better at them, I cannot wait to be able to teach them and try to make some great resources for the community. Another update is, since my silver bullet is going to come in any day, another package that I've been very much anticipating is my leather case that was made by Lockpicking Diaries. I have showed this a few times in a few of my update videos, and it should be here any day. And I just want to say again, thank you to Lockpicking Diaries for making that, and I cannot wait to see it in person. I am so excited to be able to see that. But moving forward with a few channel updates, one thing I'd like to share with you is going to be this lock right here. Likely this coming Wednesday I'm going to do the unboxing video of this Polish lock, but in short, this is a lock that was designed by an engineer in Poland who has made a lock that is very difficult to crack, and up until recently it has been called uncrackable. But what I am going to do is mention that Swendela, if you're not familiar with his channel, he is very much into decoding locks. He does a really great series on them, and he is just a really knowledgeable guy when it comes to decoding locks. A few people that have made really great videos on this is both Swendela and Potty314. What I'm going to do is just roll a really quick clip of Swendela talking about decoding this lock for the first time.
I've decoded the lock that was designed to be undecodable, pick-proof, and so I've won the Polish Combination Lock Worldwide Challenge. This is the correct combination set here, 17, 8, 12, 9, 2. Here is a graphic showing the actuator bar and one of the inner wheels. You see it's got a deep true gate and also false gates on every single other position. But there are 5 wheels. If the actuator bar hits a false gate, it can't go down, and the front knob can only rotate to about 10 past, trying to pull the bar down. But the false gate is blocking the bar. But if the true gates are lined up and the bar can be pulled down by turning the knob to about 20 past, then the locking bolt is free to be pulled out of the shackle. I've turned this front knob to 20 past. Now I'm free to move this whole wheel pack to the right, and that's pulling the locking bar out of the shackle, and the shackle can be completely removed like this.
Thank you so much for checking out Swendela, and a big congratulations to you for being able to be the first to crack open the Worldwide Challenge. If you haven't checked out Swendela already, what I'm going to do is put a link up on the top here so you can check out his channel and consider subscribing. I highly recommend you check him out. He has a really great channel, and I really enjoy watching his videos. So the next thing I'd like to do, which I do very often in many of my Locksport updates, is I share some of the channels that Lockmania has shared with me, which are very new channels, channels under 50 subscribers. The first channel I would like to mention is going to be called BritTech Locksport. BritTech Locksport is a smaller channel, and what I'm going to do is roll a very quick clip of their channel so you can check them out and consider subscribing.
My name is Kiz. I'm known as BritTech on the Lockpicking forum, and I've just wanted to say hi. My first video on the forum, and I made comments recently about the state of some people's videos, and maybe it was a little bit rough.
Thank you so much for checking out BritTech Locksport. If you enjoyed what you saw and you'd like to see more videos by them, what I'm going to do is I'll put a link on the top here so you can check out their channel and consider subscribing. Another new channel that has reached out to me personally and Lockmania has shared with me goes by Keyless Entry. Keyless Entry is a very new channel, and it's always so exciting to see all of these channels get started. I really love seeing the community being able to support them and really get their channels going. So what I'm going to do right now is share a very quick clip of Keyless Entry.
Hello everyone, Keyless Entry here. Thought I'd make a little quick video, a little update video, a little mail package received day video. But yeah, that's all I got for you today, guys. Enjoy the rest of your night, day, morning, whatever time it is in your part of the world, and I'll see you next time, guys. Thanks for your support once again.
Thank you so much for checking out Keyless Entry. If you enjoyed what you saw and you'd like to see more videos by them, what I'm going to do is I'll put a link up on the top here so you can check out their channel and consider subscribing. The next channel I'd like to mention goes by Pen Stack Smashing. This is another very new channel, and they have some pretty good videos. I've watched a few of them and I have enjoyed the content so far. And what I'm going to do is roll a very quick clip of Pen Stack Smashing for you right now.
Hello, and welcome to the very first episode of Pen Stack Smashing. I will be your host, Master Yale Quickset, and in today's video, we're going to be analyzing and picking the Master Lock Model 141D.
Thank you so much for checking out Pen Stack Smashing. If you enjoyed what you saw and you'd like to consider subscribing, what I'm going to do is I'll put a link up on the top here so you can check them out, subscribe, and check out all of their great content. Another channel I'm going to mention this week goes by RNP. And this channel is very new, and what I'm going to do is roll a very quick clip of RNP's channel so you can check them out.
If you want to get into one of these locks, all you're going to have to do is look into the gap between the body and the dial, just like you would with a 4-dial lock. And you're just looking for the true gate. Now it looks like they have a little bit of a false groove there, but it's very shallow, it's barely noticeable. And there's the true gate. Oh, I can see right there. True gate. And true gate. Now, once you have all your gates lined up, there, and there, you're just gonna shift each dial one time over and keep doing it until the lock opens. And there you go, it's open.
Thank you so much for checking out RMP. If you enjoyed what you saw and you'd like to see more videos by them, what I'm going to do is put a link up on the top here so you can check them out and consider subscribing. A few more channels that I have is one goes by Oklahoma Lock Picker. This is a very small channel as well, and I'm going to roll a very quick clip.
Alright guys, I saw a comment that reply said how to open up a tiny lock. I said I want to feature on my channel, so here we are. I'm going to put this punch in. This punch is just simply as gap fill, because the shackle is so large. And I'm going to punch this one in right here, and as you can see, the lock is locked. There's no cheating. Right back. See the keys? They're gone. got it open using brass binders.
Thank you so much for checking out Oklahoma Lockpicker. If you enjoyed what you saw and you'd like to see more videos by them, what I'm going to do is I'll put a link to their channel in the video description below. I can only put up 5 cards in every video, so I cannot put up one for this channel. All of the channels that I have mentioned thus far will be in the video description, and thank you so much for showing your support. The last channel that Lockmania has shared with me goes by Cakes, and what I'm going to do is roll a very quick clip of them right now.
Hi friends, my name's Cakes, and today I'm going to open this acrylic lock I got in a lockpicking set I ordered from China sometime last year, and at the same time test out my camera setup for shooting lockpicking videos. Here we've got the key, which you can see has 6 cuts in it to push the 6 pins inside the lock to the correct height so that we can turn the core and open the whole thing. There you go. See that? You can also see in the back here there is a 7th pin, which I think doesn't get manipulated by the key, but I think it prevents over rotation and prevents the whole core from getting yanked out of the lock.
Thank you so much for checking out Cakes. If you enjoyed what you saw and you'd like to see more videos by them, what I'm going to do is I'll put a link to their channel in the video description below as well. I just want to say thank you again to Lockmania for sharing all these great channels with me. Every subscription makes such a big difference. It helps all of the smaller channels start to pop up in the search algorithm and just really get their content out there. You do not need to be a big channel to make great videos, and I really recommend everyone always checking out all of the smaller channels, because who knows, they could be the next big thing, and I really enjoy watching the content of all of the channels out there. But either way, guys, this has been this week's Locksport update. If you have any updates that you'd like to see shared next week, as always, please drop them in the comment section below. I rely very heavily on trying to go through all of your comments to try to share all of the great new information out there. I do try to look through all of the videos, but your comments are where I look first. Congratulations again to Swendela for being the first one to crack one of the Polish locks, and stay tuned to this Wednesday to see my unboxing of this video. This is a really cool concept lock, and just because it has been cracked, it does not mean it is easy or practical for anyone to do it in the real world. But either way, guys, if you have any questions or suggestions, please drop them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope you all have a great day, and thank you so much for checking this out.